Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, How a Hurricane Changed Everything. Olivia's powerful story of survival. When Olivia was 8 years old, her world changed forever on March 12, 1985. On that day, a deadly hurricane struck their small coastal town of San Isidro, completely destroying everything in its path. The storm didn't just take away their home, it tore apart their family and left them with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Olivia's father, a fisherman, had been out at sea when the storm hit. Despite his years of experience and bravery, the relentless waves claimed his life. Olivia and her older sister were left with their mother, who somehow found the strength to hold them together despite her grief. As the winds howled and the waters rose, they clung to each other, praying for the storm to pass. When it was finally over, they stepped out into a world that no longer felt like home. Their house, along with most of the town, was reduced to rubble. There was no electricity, no clean water, and no food. Disease spread quickly, and survival became their only focus. Olivia's mother, however, refused to let despair take root. She gathered the remaining townspeople, and together, they began to rebuild. They worked from dawn until dusk, scavenging materials and constructing shelters. Olivia's mother always found a way to smile, even when the pain of losing her father weighed heavily on her. She taught Olivia and her sister that life must go on, and that every day they survived was a victory in itself. Years later, they moved to the city of Santiago, where Olivia's mother found work as a seamstress. Olivia was 12 by then, and the change was overwhelming. The bustling city was a far cry from the quiet beaches of San Isidro. Olivia missed her father terribly and struggled to adjust to their new life. But her mother's unwavering determination kept them going. She saved every peso she earned, and eventually, they were able to open a small clothing shop. The business grew, and so did their family's resilience. Today, Olivia is a mother herself, with a loving husband and 2 beautiful daughters. Their clothing business has expanded, and she has even begun designing her own line of fashion. The memory of her father and the lessons of strength her mother taught her guide her every step. Olivia knows that no matter what life throws at them, they have the power to overcome. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. This story touches the heart deeply. The devastation of a hurricane reminds us of how sudden and overwhelming life's challenges can be. Just as Olivia's family lost nearly everything in the blink of an eye, many of us face storms that threaten to destroy our very foundations. Yet, the strength and courage her mother showed during their darkest days is a powerful reminder that we can rebuild, no matter how shattered our lives may seem. If Olivia's family could rise from the ruins of San Isidro, so can you. Whatever hardships you're facing, remember that your resilience, determination, and faith will carry you through. Just like her mother, you have the power to rebuild, to create something beautiful from the ashes. Keep your heart focused on the future, for that is where hope lies. I hope you are inspired by today's story, and learn valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.